In Unity, if you've received the error message for the Play Billing Library 4.0 on the Google Play Console, what you'll need to do, you need to click on Learn More. And when you click on Learn More, it has the chart here. It has version 4, August 1st, 2023 to November 1st, 2023. And that release has been deprecated, and you'll need to go to release 5, which the last date version that can be used to release new apps is on August 1st, 2024. Used to release updates to existing apps, it will be November 1st, 2024. So if you have apps on the Google Play Store, just know you're going to have to do updates to your apps. And again, this is always for different changes that might happen and also security reasons as well. You go to Unity. In the package manager, you scroll down to monetization. You click on in-app purchasing. Click on the version history. You'll see the 4.9.4, and it will have the billing library updated to 5.2.1. You either click on update or you click on install. And I have an older app I need to update, so I'm going to go ahead and click on install, because I know when I update this particular app, I'm going to have to install this anyway. And then you proceed to do another build, but make sure you update the version to a higher version before you do the build, and then re-upload it up to the Google Play internal testing. I hope everyone has a great day.